We are one of the humblest Bantu nations in South Africa. We are the Venda. The Venda are a Bantu ethnic tribe that are located in the northeastern region of South Africa in Limpopo. The Venda speak a language called Chivenda. The Venda are a beautiful nation. They wear beautiful and bright colors. Let us compare some words in Chiloba and Chivenda, both Bantu nations, beautiful and rich.
Ndinenzala, ndinandala, mukachi, mufumakatsi, bantu, vathu, munyu, munyu, nkuni, tsikuni, teka, bika, nwa, nwa, njila, ndila, butuku, vusiku, muishi, musi, kule, kule. I am Bantu Bison. Nkosi yamashangane, ondwandwe, abasekho ngomo.